Hey, just taking a toolbox tour here. It's a Husky. Got a few, but do them another day. And people are probably gonna say, oh, they're too clean to be used, but I don't know, I just take care of my tools. So if you guys don't, then that's your problem. Don't call mine dirty, but I don't know. Just hate seeing that all the time. I do use them. I use them on my 600 mini sprint. Probably do some videos on it one day. Yeah, here it is. It's got my standard sockets, like 11/16 and stuff like that. The rack isn't complete, but just about. Got my ratchets. In the first drawer here, we just got all the nubby wrenches. It's Mastercraft. Other drawer, we just got like random stuff like zip ties and JB Weld and stuff, stagger tape. Next drawer, we got some of my wrenches here. These are Mastercraft, and I think these are Mastercraft too. Yeah, these are. Got a assortment of them here. More wrenches in here, same thing. Gear wrenches and just normal wrenches, no gears, but. Next drawer, we got all my screwdrivers. Fuller, I got them from Home Depot. And then some Allen keys here. Next drawer, we got my pliers and vice grips, pliers, needle nose, snips. Next drawer, we got all my crescent wrenches here. There's buttons for the race car. Next drawer, I got like stickers and a racing book and some duct tape, cutter, flashlight. Next drawer down, we got a mallet and a hammer, air gauge for the race car, stuff like that. Next drawer down, got some just maintenance stuff for the race car, bag for the air filter, setup blocks, and then just to drain the methanol out of it. Next drawer, we got all my torque wrench. This is just like spare pair of sockets here. Check this out. Made by Napa here. I wanted it a race one time, so it's Ultra Pro. It's a complete set. It's a really nice ratchet though. I like this ratchet. It's real fine teeth. So that's not bad. I really like that set. Just in case. Can't find something. We're at the racetrack, so. Then we got extensions and spark plug sockets and speed wrench and just a big socket for the gear, extension swivel. And then just extra ratchets, spark plug ratchet. And then the torque wrench made my power fist. It's pretty nice fun, 3/8 drive. This next drawer, it's kind of like, got all my T-handled Allen keys made by Power Fist. These are pretty nice, I really like these. And then power bowl for polishing wheels. It's pretty nice, I like that too. Just the wheel polishing stuff, it's nothing. Then I got my DeWalt impact driver. It's a really nice one. It's really small, lithium battery, so really like it. And then DeWalt drill. It's not bad. It's a bit older, but still. And then these drill bits made by Ridgid. These out for you here. It's just full set just in case you need to drill something out, but so that's the toolbox. I'll probably do like one on this one. It's just another Husky. One just miscellaneous tools. Do one on this one soon. And yeah, if you want a review, just ask on any of these tools here. And I'll be sure to do a review for you. Alright, thanks for watching.